Assalamu alaikum and welcome to Effective Arabic. Today I'm gonna teach you 5 ways to say my brother in Darija. The term my brother in Morocco is one of the most common words that people use in their daily life situations. People would say it not only to their actual brothers, but also to address their friends as well as random people in the streets. So let's start with the first one. Khoya. 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 This is the popular one that you probably know. Now let's go to the second one. Khay. 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 This one is very often used in the north part of Morocco, specifically in cities such as Tangier, Tétouan or Asila. The next one is very popular in Casablanca city. They say لخوادري. 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 The next one is very slang. I don't think that Moroccans would use this with their bosses, by the way. I think it's best to use it only with people who are closer to you or when you're trying to be cute with somebody. It's Khawa ديالي. Khawa ديالي. Khawa ديالي. You will hear it a lot in Tangier. You would hear something like Khawa ديالي كيف تينا لاباس. It's the equivalent of hey bro, how you doing? The last one is الخاوة. 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 الخاوة is an Algerian expression which means brotherhood. Moroccans and Algerians use this expression in the same context, to say my brother and to address each other in the streets. Alright, that's it for today's lesson. I hope you enjoyed it and I hope you learned something. If you have any question, please feel free to leave it in the comment section below. Also, you can always connect with me through Instagram. Until I see you again, goodbye for now. Bislama.